We're down in Minehead Harbour. We're going out with the Teddy boys on Osprey today. This one, we've got 8-hour fishing trip. Getting some stingray, some taupe. And with Ryan. Say there, Ryan. So yeah, gonna see who catches the biggest fish. I think the boat's getting in ready. So yeah, we're getting on this little bow and buoy, catamaran. We've got the boys there. That's there. We're on the boat. Going out here in the harbour now. We've got the boys. We're all going to catch lots of fish today. Right, that's it. We're off. Just leaving the harbour now. Down in Minehead. Heading out into deeper water, I think. Here we're just leaving Minehead Harbour now. There's the Butlins over there. We've got some local boys on the boat today, going to show us what to do. Look at that gap up there, look. Going out to sea now. Don't want to fall out the back of there. Yeah, there's whales over there. Yeah, I ain't no fisherman. I've been told to come in. So yeah, let's see what we're going to get today. Got the professional. Camera shy. And yeah, got all the locals on the boat today, so let's see what goes down. I think we're not far from one of the bays around here. One of the fishermen said, after some mackerel, we get some mackerel in, some live bait. And apparently in the deeper sections out that way, there's some big taupe out there. They normally fish back down there towards the harbour. So yeah, the boys are going to try and pull us on some big taupe today. So stay tuned to the channel, guys. I don't know what I'm going to catch. I think we just landed in our first location. I think that's a mackerel. Look at this.
Do you guys know what you're doing at all?
No.
Have you ever used a bill?
Not a clue, mate. Not a clue. We're just in this cove here, after a bit of mackerel, some bait, some live bait. Just set me up with a rod, showed me what to do. To bob the rod apparently. But look at that for a shoreline. Got Ryan in the corner. Yeah, so we just tried going for a bit of mackerel then, but unfortunately that little bay over there, nobody got any, so we're just moving out down the coast now. Look at that. Right, we're on the move again. No fish. Just come from all the way over there. The two locations. Just headed round the coast now. We're quite far out now. I'm going to be like this tonight. Right, first fish of the boat from Ryan. Little mackerel. Well done, Ryan. First fish from Ryan. Yeah, Ryan got the first fish of the boat. Right, yeah, we're just coming around the coast. Had a couple of mackerel. A couple of fishermen got some at the front. Yeah, we're just coming along this coastline now. We've got a lighthouse up there. That looks gorgeous. Yeah, happened. we lost the fish out the hole. No, I'm the bad omen. I'm the bad omen of the boat at the minute. He's tapping his head over there. Right, I think the anchor's down. Valley of Rocks is just over there. Just been told. Just looked on Google Maps. And yeah, I think they're just setting up now to catch some ray. I think it's rays, isn't it? So yeah, boys are prepping. This man's going to throw me overboard later. But yeah. Yeah. How deep is it here? 50 foot. 25. 25 foot. There we go, engines off. I'm in business now. I've got to break this cycle. Catch a fish. That's it, he's got his ray. Nice fish. Hey, this geezer's got another one. Here it is. That's a good one. Back to back. Well done.
Got one over there, yeah.
I think they're just setting me up now.
Hey?
Setting me up now.
Are you alright? Yes, fine. What I'll do is I'll put your two bags together, alright? You've got bags to bait here, same as each other, so
Yes.
use all one up first and then.
To a line out, is it right? Oh, you're going to set me up the biggest fish. Skipper. Right, that's it now. Skipper's just set me line up. Here we go, dogfish. He's on it again. 3 in a row. It's a waiting game now. Come on. Oh, oh this one.
You know exactly why I'm doing it.
Right forward.
Like this.
Just keep it here.
You got one on?
Yeah. Left hand broad.
Fish on. Dogfish, I think.
There you go. Hold it trying, it'll roll its tail round, hold its tail at the same time.
Where do I hold it anyway?
That's it, hold it right. Oh, see how its tail come up now?
Yeah.
Put your thumb up, put your thumb up. That one, you put your thumb, that's it. You can't move. Right.
Trust me in that, yeah? Pop it back next time. Pop it back.
Hold that.
Dogfish. Large, rub it skin the one way.
Yeah,
Soft.
it's like sandpaper.
Soft, and rub it the other way.
There's a small one.
Yeah, got my first one. Have some of that. See, Ryan's just got himself his first dogfish. Look at that one, that's a nice one. Well done. He's on it today.
On it.
He's on it. I think Ryan's onto a ray. Did it bend over? Here we go there. Go on, right.
Got a ray there, boy.
First one.
Get the net, lads.
You just lift them up, don't you?
Yeah, and it's
only small.
He's looking alright.
You can hold it, right? Come on.
He's got to do it, hasn't he?
It's got to do it, mate. He gives it all me, so he's having it back.
There. The other hand.
Go on, grab it. Hold
Right.
it up, right? Well done. A little baby shark, a little tope. Safe, thank you. You on again? You got another ray. There's 2 in the bag.
Doing it on you, isn't he?
I know, I'm an omen.
Come on, Jen.
Tope. Oh no. Ray number 2 for Ryan. Smile for this one. There you go, well done. That's it, I've had one little dogfish. No rice for me. The skipper's on a mission. Just going past the Valley of Rocks, I think. Yeah, check this out, we are motoring now. There's my setup. Got this chap next to me sorting me out with a little setup, some sand deal. Yeah, we are shifting. That's it, I'm on the front of the boat now. He's crazy, that man. Yeah, we're heading out now. Sailboat over there. Going after some sharks now. And see what we can get. Ryan at the back. First one on boat, congar.
Cut back.
Yeah. That's he does. Another little dogfish. Well done, Pete. Well, that's a bigger one, isn't it? That's a dogfish as well.
They're gorgeous, aren't they? They're like straight spotted dogfish.
Right.
And the little ones are lesser spotted dogfish. So effectively, it's
Yep.
like a big dogfish.
Wow.
But they go 10 to our pound. Yeah. T-burn.
Another dogfish, a bit bigger than my last one.
Yeah, it's tomorrow.
Well, that's it. chuck him back in. Got myself another little dogfish. No shark yet. You alright, mate?
You got any tips on how to catch mackerel with these eating no out?
We've got some new rods. Oh, look at this, just been delivered. Yeah, we've just got given a new bit of kit. Bit of a mix of there you go. Lobsters on the boat. Are they the brothers?
Yeah.
They're the brothers. You see the people at the top of the Valley of Rocks up there? Right at the top, look. 500 feet. You wouldn't want to be up there on a windy day, would you? Wow, look at that.
You get it?
Yeah, I got it. That's it, Pete's landed another conger. Look at that for a backdrop. Got a new rig, new setup, new line. Some squid bait.
You alright, you got him there?
Yeah, yeah. Look at that. Look at that. That's nearly as big as me.
Give it a kiss, Lois.
Yes.
It's with you now, man. You got to do what you want.
What do I do? Do I just come back over?
Yeah.
He wants to hook it on his own.
Yes. Get in there. Thank you. Yes. Something. Something decent. He thinks he's onto a pollock. Oh, there it is. There he is, the surface. What is that?
Conger.
Is that a conger? Another conger. They're over here inside.
You've got all your gear.
Swallowed it right down.
See how black it is?
Yeah. Oh, to blend in.
Yeah.
But yeah, I think I've had so far biggest fish of the day. It's not what they like catching here, conger eel, but I don't normally catch anything. That must have been about 5 foot, up to 20 pound, I reckon. So I can't wait to watch that one back. Yeah, I think Ryan's got 7 to my 5, so he's still 2 in front. What's it called? Sammy the seal? Little Sammy. Go away, I'm trying to fish. We're flying now to the next location. Look at this for a backdrop. Fish on. Another conger. Whoa, he's unhooked himself. Right, nearly out of battery. We're going to watch him fill in a fish. Pollock. The depression out. His camera shows. Did a good job. That looks pretty neat, doesn't it? I've done that before. Look at that, beautiful, beautiful. Right, that's the end of a good day with the Osprey boys. Ryan won on a mount. I had biggest fish of the day, bloody conger eel, but yeah, it's my first ever big fish. Here's the boys down here all leaving now. That was our little boat. So yeah, stay tuned to the channel, got some kayaking videos coming up. Yeah boy, MX, catch you later.